Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you have been watching my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. It doesn't cost anything. It's all free, but it does really help my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And comment below, because all of those things really help my channel to grow. And also, if you like this and you want to share, I'd appreciate you sharing it to Facebook, Instagram, any of those social media platforms would really help to get my projects out there and seen. So I really appreciate that. I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And one more thing, when I hit that 50,000 mark, I am going to do a really nice giveaway. So you all can get into that, and I'll tell you the details when we get there. So that's my goal for this year, so help me get there. All right, everyone. Today is quick and easy day, and these triangle boxes are perfect for quick and easy. These are one of my favorite. I've made a bunch of different ones. I've made Christmas. I've made, birthday. I'll try to link some in this video in the description or in this video somewhere. But this is the one I'm sharing today. I love these little witches. It's called Best Witches. And if you saw my card the other day that I made, it was the little witch hat. It was this one right here. And it is a fun fold flap card. If you didn't see this, check out my YouTube channel and you will find it on there. But I used the inside, I used the Best Witches, which comes from the same stamp set that this comes from. So this is it right here. Isn't this so cute? I showed it, I think, when I did that one, but I talked about the witches, how cute they were. And so we're using this one, we're using the little frog, and then we're using, if you got it, Haunt It. I thought that was so cute and adorable. Even just for a friend at Halloween, it would be really, really cute. So this is what I'm sharing. We don't have dies for this, so I did use my brother's scanning cut to cut out the little witch, the frog. And so we are going to color those today. I'll probably speed through the coloring because y'all always watch me color. If you like me to speed through it, or if you want to see how I color, put it in the comments, because I never know. Sometimes people tell me when I speed through they want to see how I color, and then others, they'll skip through that. So it's all up to you. Sometimes I'll just do it regular speed and you can just skip through it, but just let me know in the comments how you feel about that. All right, so this is what I'm sharing, and it's so stinking cute. I love this little witch and the frog. They're so cute. But I thought this was perfect because she looks like she's saying, if you've got it, haunt it. And so this opens like this. I don't know, I'm sure if you've been around long, you've seen me make these before, but I always like to do them for quick and easy because they are really quick and easy. So they just open like that. You can even keep them tied. Just stick your candy in there. You can even put a little small gift or anything like this. This one's kind of wide. It's got a nice width to it, so you can probably add a little small gift in here. And I love this gingham ribbon with this. It just seemed to really go well. I'm using Gorgeous Grape for this today. And we are using our Brights Designer Series paper pack, the 6x6 for this as well, which is this one right here. I love this. I have 2 packs in here. And the Brights are my favorite color family. So that's why I have 2 packs there. All right, so that is what we're making today. So what are you going to need for this, you ask? We are going to need a piece of Gorgeous Grape. This is 8x5. And then we are going to use a piece of 5x4 to mat it. And I'll show you how I do all this. The sentiment is for 1 by 3.5. I'm using some scrap basic white to stamp the witch. And we're using some Daffodil Delight for the little stars and the moon on here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stamp her. And we are not going to color. I'm just going to show you how she stamps and stuff because because sometimes people want to see how everything's stamped. So I'm going to just show you. And if you are new, whenever you have a larger image, always take the stamp pad to the stamp. It really works a lot nicer. And then we're just going to press her down. She's so cute. By the way, I need another one anyway for another one that I need to do. So, and then we're going to do the little frog. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp while we have this out. If you've got it, haunt it. I'm going to do that for our sentiment here. I think that's so cute. All right, so I'm going to grab the ones that I cut out. On here, I cut it from my brother's scan. I cut a few frogs because I knew I was going to need some more. And we're going to just go ahead and color that. I will speed through, like I said, but I'm going to tell you everything that I'm using to color this in case you want to color it the same. All right, so I'm using light and dark Highland Heather, and then I am using light and dark Daffodil Delight. I am using basic black, and then we are using, I think this is gray granite, dark gray granite, using light and dark Parakeet Party. I'm using the SU 800, a light flirty flamingo, SU 100, and this is the bronze. So those are all that I'm using for this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come in a little closer. Hopefully I'm going to remember to bring it back up so you can see how I'm coloring it a little bit closer. All right, so let's get started. Okay, y'all, those are the two right there, the little frog and the little witch. Aren't they adorable? Oh my gosh, I love these little witches. They're so cute. Let me bring you back out to normal. There we go. And we are going to go ahead and make our box. Everything's ready to go. All right, so for the box, what you're going to do here, you're going to have to hand score some. I'm going to just bring up my regular trimmer because we need to score and cut on some angles. All right, so this on the 8-inch side, you're going to score it at 4. So you're just going to score it in half at 4. And then on this piece right here, it's 5 by 4. What you're going to do here is you are going to mark this, and I'm going to grab my ruler. So you're going to mark this in half at 2.5. Let's flip this over. You're going to mark it at 2.5. So I just use my little, you can use a pencil. Let me grab the pencil. Maybe you can see it better that way. So there's the pencil mark. And how you are going to cut this is you are just going to put that mark in this point, and you're going to cut it at like a triangle on an angle like that. And then you're going to turn it this way, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Make sure they're right in that little canal of your trimmer. And then this is going to be our piece we're going to mat. All right, now on this piece, we are also going to mark it, and we are going to mark it in half at 2.5, and I'll use a pencil. I usually just use my little stylus, and you're going to do it on both ends here, so 2.5. And then this time we're going to score. So we're going to score from here. to this corner. So you're going to score down here. And we're going to do it on this one too. So you're going to make like an upside down V. You're going to do the same on this one, from that mark to the corner, and then again this side to the corner. And that's it, y'all. That's how easy these are. Very, very easy. I'm going to grab my bone folder here, and we are going to sharpen these marks like this. You can make these all different sizes depending how long and the width that you make it. Like I said, I'll post the other ones in my description. I'll post some of the other ones I made. So this closes like this. What you're going to do is you're going to take your, this is just a regular hole punch, and you're going to punch through both of these layers. You're going to do it both on both sides. Try to make them even. And then you're going to tie your ribbon, but fill it with your goodies first. And I'm going to grab my ribbon. This one is the black and white gingham. And we are just going to run these through. So it'll go through here, here, Alright, now we are going to just tie a bow in it. I love this gingham with this, especially with this gorgeous grape. It's just so pretty. And you can mat both sides. I just matted one side, but you can mat both sides if you like. In that case, you'll need 2 of the matting sizes, which were 5x4. Alright, so I'm going to trim this. And we have our bow. So now it's time to decorate. So we are going to mat this piece to the front here. And it should fit right on top. Now this fits the whole piece. If you want it shorter, you need to make it smaller if you want. But I wanted the whole piece so it looks like a nighttime sky. So that's why I did it to fit the whole thing. And I used wet glue. I'm trying to make this a little bit quicker. You want to make sure it covers the whole front. And it's kind of hard to do it when you use your Stampin' Seal. For me it is. I like the flexibility of the wet glue. Alright, so that's the front. We are going to take this piece here and we are going to mat that to the center here. And what I'm going to do, maybe I need to scoot that. No, I think that's good. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to turn it over and I'm going to trim that. Just like that. And now we are going to use some dimensionals to add our little witch. And I'll show you how I made the moon here in a minute. And then you're just going to put her here. Doesn't she look like she's saying that? She's got an attitude. It's cute. Then we're going to put one more dimensional and put our little froggy down in the corner here. And to make the little moon and the stars I used the Bewitching. This is the punch that goes with the Bewitching stamp set. I'm just using these stars, but use whatever stars you have, and we're going to punch those. And then we're also going to use this 1-inch circle punch, and I'm going to just punch the circle here. I'm going to take a piece of scrap, and I'm just going to use a little bit of my Stampin' Seal here. You can use a removable adhesive if you want, but it's not necessary. And then what I did was I just came back and cut another portion of that off. And then you have your little moon shape right there. I made this one a little bit smaller, but that's okay. We're going to go with it. And I'm going to use some wet glue. And then we're going to put that up here. And I'm going to use one of the larger stars, and we're going to put it in the center. How cute is that little witch? Oh my goodness, I love this little witch. She's so cute. Isn't that fun? Wouldn't that be a cute little gift though for a Halloween party or just for a friend for Halloween? I think it's so adorable. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed her. If you need any supplies, this is my new August host code. We have a new host code for August. If you use it, I would really appreciate it when you ordered. And you can order at StampingWithAmore.com. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.